Yeah, a pleasant night. And the one done this, and me come to say something. I no want to cuss nobody out neither. Me I say something. First thing me I talk about Ninja Man. I am so sorry to hear that Ninja Man is found guilty. You see what me I say? I am so sorry to hear that. I was wishing and praying that Ninja Man could walk free in Jesus' name. But certain things happen, as when we did say in the video. If them find him guilty, there's nothing I can do and nothing we can do about it. But Ninja Man, you will always be in our heart. The one Dan Gargan, gold teeth, front teeth. Understand? We love and respect you, see me, no matter what one go on. You see me I say, big up your Vibes Cartel, Buju Bantan. Straight. Yeah. Them I try lock down all of the, well, let me take back that. All of the good artists them, I go to prison. I don't know for why. And I hope them artists are out here look and see what go on. You see what me I say? Because when you think them now watch you, them will watch you. You see what me I say? Artists, look out on your eye. You see what me I say? And the artists, them know so them after uno look out on your eye, Rasta. Me I want to know. Yeah, look out on your eye. You see what me I say? The whole of we are black brother and sister. We might not know one another like in person. But me now wish bad for no Jamaican. You see what me I say? No matter you could live a foreign or abroad. You could live a foreign. Because foreign abroad, see me. You could live a foreign. Me now wish no bad for no Jamaican. You see what me I say? Because the whole of it is a small world. So you have to be careful how you violate people. You see me? So me I say, look out on your artist. Anyway, the little pitney now. Your mother and the little pitney. Me I say, yo. Quick, me I got up. Me I say, yo. There's no way that little child could do something for that mother murder that little pitney like that. And I want the people that deal with parents we do cruelty to children. I want these people to look on the video good and decide what them going to do with this mother here. And I want them to look on the woman that beat the daughter with a machete and decide what them going to do with them. Them are woman and we love woman, but there is a time in life. There's a time in life where certain things you have to feel, have to get a punishment for it. You understand? And I now violate no big society people, and I now violate no mothers in Jamaica. But me I say, yo mothers, up more no yai man, you have a heart, you have kids. Me no get no picnic yet, and me not ready to tell the world that. You see me? Me no get none yet, and I'm the only man no get no picnic. But me can tell the world, if I did get a youth, I would take care of it so much that I tell you, I would present this child before God. You see what I say? And let the Father help me grow this child in the way it should grow. Me I tell you the truth and I don't worry about it. But me no get no picnic yet. But if me get one, that's gonna happen. You see me? But me not have something too tough. Me just want them people that will deal with it. We deal with children when them get abused by them parents. I want them to come back and tell them what them are gonna do. Me no want to predict nothing for nobody. You see what I say? I just do that video here because the way I feel about the little girl when I get some lick. Me come like me want ball and I know my picnic. You see what I say? If you understand what I say, me feel like me want ball. You see what I say? God no. Oh God man.